Collaborating effectively is key to productivity, especially for teams spread across different locations. In this video, we'll cover 5 of the best collaboration tools that can help streamline workflows and make teamwork easier than ever. Asana. First up is Asana, known for its powerful task and project management capabilities. Key features: customizable task lists, organize tasks by project or individual assignments. Project timeline view, visualize project timelines with Gantt-style charts. Automation for repetitive tasks, automate repetitive workflows to save time. Asana is an ideal choice for teams that need a structured approach to project management. Basecamp. Basecamp is a simple yet powerful collaboration tool, great for teams that want an easy-to-use project management system. Key features: message boards for discussions, consolidate project discussions in one place. To-do lists and milestones, keep track of tasks and deadlines easily. Automatic check-ins, gather team updates automatically to reduce meetings. Basecamp's straightforward approach makes it a favorite among smaller teams or those looking for simplicity. Miro. Miro is a digital whiteboard tool, perfect for teams that want to brainstorm, plan, and organize visually. Key features: digital whiteboards. Collaborate in real time with sticky notes, diagrams, and drawings. Templates for various workflows. Start quickly with templates for brainstorming, agile workflows, and more. Integration with popular tools. Works with tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams. Miro's visual approach is perfect for creative teams, designers, and strategists. Monday.com. Monday.com is known for its highly customizable boards and workflow automation features. Key features: customizable dashboards. View tasks, timelines, and project status at a glance. Workflow automation. Set up automated notifications, task assignments, and status changes. Flexible project views. Switch between calendar, Gantt, and board views based on preference. Monday.com's flexibility and automation make it ideal for teams with unique workflow needs. Thank you for watching. See you next time.